Yo, what's up, y'all? Dave here, SI. If you don't know me, I'm doing a tech recycle company in southeastern Kentucky. And currently, this is just for a friend of mine. I don't do repairs anymore. I offer a mail-in repair service for last resort tech support, but that's about it. I only do repairs that's been attempted by other people, several other people. And that's extremely important. I can't be tied down with that because, to be honest with you, it's just not worth my time. But the recycle is. See, I'm on a mission to save our planet and to, make it, hopefully leave it a little better of a place than I found it. And this here is just something that I'm doing. And see, if you notice, I put the heat sink compound all around it, see? And then what I'll do is I'll kind of spread it around a little bit, see? This is also a very good, I like to put it about the size of a pea. If you put about the size of a pea, maybe just a little bit bigger than a pea, it will allow you to sink it up just the right way. Because you want it to just barely cover all the way to the edges. Just barely, and then that's kind of ideal, So I mean, sometimes I'll even kind of rake it around like that. This is, it's an AMD. It's a bigger processor, and now what we'll do is, and see, this is for a friend of mine. This ain't even. I don't even do builds really anymore, just because it's too painstaking. It takes too long. All this crap. But this is just for a friend of mine. Shout out to Jerm. What's up, Jerm? This is his computer. So what I'm doing right this minute, oh crap, I'm a cracker. I guess I should have, yeah, one of the problems is this doesn't have a collapsible. Usually they got to open little spots you can kind of slide the heatsink plate in, and the plate was the problem this time. But catch us on part 2. I'll be syncing this up. Okay, guys, thanks. Dave here, SI out.